Daniel Defense is an arms manufacturer, founded in 2002 by Marty Daniel in Savannah, Georgia. Following substantial growth, in 2009 Daniel Defense expanded and moved into a new manufacturing facility in Black Creek, Georgia, where it is now based. It has also expanded to a second facility in Ridgeland, South Carolina. Daniel Defense was featured in Incorporated magazine's Top 5,000 list in 2012, 2013, and 2014. Daniel Defense manufactures firearms and firearm accessories including custom variants of rifles such as the R-15 rifle and M4 carbine, advanced trail systems, custom upper receivers, and advanced barrels. Daniel Defense designed and manufactures the Rail Interface System 2 for the SOP Mod Block 2 rifle, combining various improvements over the original RIS as requested by U.S. Special Operations Command. These features include the ability to free-float an M203 grenade launcher on a quick-detach mount, the invention of a stronger attachment mechanism between the rail and the barrel nut upper receiver, as well as a full-length handguard to fit over the new rifle's redesigned gas block. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.